Just at B&M in Wigan, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Well, they do have a nice big Hot Wheels display here in this B&M, and at a price of £1.49. B&M might actually be one of the cheapest right now doing mainline Hot Wheels, because that is the price we're looking for. Good job, B&M. Anyway, let's get started, guys. And first up, we get the Toyota AE86, and this one's from that Japanese import set of 2026. And I do love my JDM cars, this one being one of the most famous drift cars out there. And if you've never watched Initial D, then you might know some of the artwork just by looking at it. Really awesome drift car, and Hot Wheels have done it justice with those pop-up lights on the front there. Nice big black bonnet on this with a load of racing decals. Such a wicked livery on this one in that metal flake purple. It's got those gold wheels, and I'm gonna guess that gold Japanese writing says Hot Wheels, because I've seen it a few times on cars. We got a little smiley face sticker on the front there. Yeah, some wicked details, and this one looks great. I know a lot of people are after this, and I'm definitely trying to collect all of the Japanese import sets, so I'll be taking this one. Let's pop it down here. Turn the basket over a little bit. And we've also got the 96 Dodge Viper GTS from that Hot Wheels Talk set of 2026. We've seen this casting before, but this one looks great in black with a big white racing stripe down the center. And I do like these gray wheels. I think they look fantastic on black. I do love a good Viper, and I might take this one just to complete the Talk set, guys. So yeah, I'll definitely be taking this one. And I think these two are from, I think, L case or K case or something. So we've definitely got some new stuff on these pegs. Anyway, guys, let's keep going. We get the new colorway of the Alfa Romeo Giulia T Super from that Cool Classics set of 2026. And I have been collecting all of the Cool Classics, so yeah, I'll be taking this one as well. Let's keep looking. Oh, and we find the Mad Manga, which is, if we have a look on the back of the card, I don't think you can see it there, but there should be a silver stamp because this is the treasure hunt of L Case. And this one's from the Let's Race series, which is a TV show that's on Netflix. You can see up here it says Let's Race, Attack and T-Rex. And you can see on the side there, it's also got that flame symbol, which is the treasure hunt logo. A lot of the treasure hunts do have them on the side. Now this is a regular treasure hunt as a silver stamp, but you can also find super treasure hunts, which are a lot more rare than this one. Those will have a gold stamp on the back of the cards, and they'll have Spectraflame paint, rubber wheels, all the good stuff. But yeah, this one's looking great, and we've seen this cast in loads before. It's definitely reminding me of the Liberty Walk Lando Norris Skyline that was recently built with that really angular body kit. Yeah, this one's pretty wicked, and I do collect treasure hunts, guys, so I'll be taking this one. Pop it down here. And let's keep looking. Oh, we get the BMW M4 GT3, which is a brand new casting for 2026 from that Hot Wheels starting grid set. A set filled with 10 racing cars. And this one is probably one of the most popular GT3 cars within the last 5 years. I know a lot of people will know this from games like Fortnite and the sim races as well on iRacing and that. And it's got that wicked M Motorsports livery. It's even got a black on black sun strip, nice big spoiler on the back, and great tooling on the front as well with the BMW badge slapped right in the middle of the grills. Oh man, we're finding some good stuff today, guys. I'll be taking this one. Pop it down there. Now let's keep going. We get the 62 Chevy from the 2026 Rod Squad. It's got VTEC livery on this, and it's riding really low on those wheels. You can see about 2/3 of the wheels there. Nice big chrome bed and chrome interior with a white roof. I gotta say, this thing does look awesome. I'm not a big fan of lots of trucks, but pickup trucks I can get behind all day. Very nice casting, and at £1.49, I don't think I can say no, to be honest, guys. I'll pop it in here for now. Oh, we've got the Datsun Sunny Coupe. It's the 1972 Datsun Sunny Coupe, which is a brand new casting for 2026. It's part of that Compact King set of 2026 as well. And I don't know what it is about orange paint on Hot Wheels anyway. I really do like it, and I think this thing looks great. It's got that old school racing livery, and it does say Datsun Sunny GX on the back here, in a tampo, and a door handle as well with the keyhole. Yeah, just great tooling overall, and it does have, I don't know if you can see inside of this. Let me see if I can get a good angle. You can see it's not got any headrests on the seats, which matches up with the old Datsun cars. And for anybody new to collecting or cars and doesn't know what Datsun is, it's what Nissan used to be before they became Nissan. So yeah, these are the OG cars. Really great new casting, and I'm definitely happy to see this one. So I'll pop it down here. And let's keep looking. We get the second colour variant of the Aston Martin Vantage GT3, which is from that Exotic Cars set of 2026. The first one was in the British Racing Green. This one's in white with some big lime green stripes down the centre of it. Although this one does look really clean, I like the original better, so I'm gonna leave this one here. Oh, no way. It's the R34 Skyline from that Japanese import set that I've been waiting for. I know all the collectors have been talking about this one because it is just such a well done casting. Look at that tooling, guys, for a mainline. Are you kidding me? Let's have a look at the back. Absolutely beautiful. And in these colors as well, such an amazing casting. The wheels look like they should be on a treasure hunt or something, not on your standard mainline. And the bonnet does have a few ridges there to show vents on top. Oh man, this just looks so good. Definitely just giving Fast and Furious vibes all over this thing, isn't it? I'm a massive fan of Skylines, and yeah, I can't pass up on a Godzilla, can I? I'm definitely gonna be taking this. Pop it down here, and let's keep going. Oh, we get the Ferrari 365 GT B4 Competizione in its new white, red and green colorway, which looks great. This is from that Ferrari set of 2026, and we know that Ferrari is brand new this year. They only got the license back in the middle of 2025, so all the castings that we're seeing now are the first ones of Ferrari, so they're very, very popular, and I'm collecting all of them. Doesn't matter what color variant they are, so yeah, I'm definitely going to be taking this one. Let's pop it down here, flipping it. We've got some good cars. Let's keep looking. Pegs are absolutely stacked today. We've got the Aston Martin F1 race car from the F1 set of 2026. And Hot Wheels actually invited me down to Silverstone this year. Absolute mind blown that I got invited to that thing. It was fantastic. And I saw a ton of these on the pegs because they had their own big stall in the middle of Silverstone with just tons of F1 castings on there. So yeah, I do have this one already, so I'm gonna leave this here for somebody else. And let's keep looking. We got the Lotus Cortina in black from that Hot Wheels Euro set of 2026. Ton of little European castings. A few people said they didn't like it in the red variant, but this black one is probably going to be a hit and go down well. A lot of collectors will be grabbing this one. Very cool car, and I do like my black cars, but I think I'm going to leave this one here for now, or I'm going to be spending a fortune. Oh, we do get a new colorway in the Bugatti Bolide. Look at that. Looking pretty smart, to be honest. I don't know if I can pass this one up. I do have it a couple of times in the other colorways. This is looking very clean in white with the black wheels. I'll pop it in the basket. I'll decide afterwards whether I'm gonna take it or not when I see how much I'm spending. And let's keep going. We are on the last peg now, so only a few castings left. We do find a supercharged, what I've not seen before from the Drag Racers set of 2026. We get the El Segundo Coupe. We get a Street Shrieker from the Let's Race TV series. And we also get the DeLorean Alpha 5 from the Hot Wheels Green Speed set. Hot Wheels have put 10 electric and hybrid cars into that set. So yeah, this is an electric DeLorean, I think. And that's it for the pegs, guys. There is one more casting down here that must have fallen off, and it's the 98 Honda Prelude in its second colorway. This beautiful aqua blue. Oh man, I wish they had the red seats in this. This is from that Factory Fresh set of 2026. Probably the best one out of that set because this is just JDM all over. Now, is the old Prelude better than the new Preludes? Let me know, guys, what you think. But like I've said before, I love my JDM castings, so I'm going to be taking this one as well. Flipping it, we've got so many in that basket. So not only have B&M dropped the price down, they put a load of new cases out on the pegs in this store anyway. And we've also got premiums up here. You can see we've got the Forza Audi 90 Quattro, which I did pick up the other day in Liverpool. This is definitely one of my favorite castings to find from Hot Wheels. They do a great Audi Quattro. Also got that cool combi Dracula, some other pop culture stuff as well. Oh, we get the Master of the Universe He-Man Wind Raider, and a load of XL castings too, including the McLaren. Now, I will say that the Matchbox stuff has been catching my eye, especially the 2019 Audi TT RS Coupe, which looks very clean, and I have been quite impressed with a lot of the Matchbox castings that have been announced recently, and I might actually make a video on them, just have a little talk about that. Let me know if you guys would be interested in a Matchbox video. Beautiful Corvette there as well. Right, well, I think there are some other pegs over the other side of this aisle. Let's have a little look. There we go, guys. We've got even more pegs here, filled with Hot Wheels. We get the BMW 507. It looks like we've got some 2025 stock on here because this could have been found as a super treasure hunt in 2025. And it's from that Hot Wheels Roadsters set of 2025 as well, which I think were all convertibles. But yeah, this one's a cool old school BMW from the GT3 that we found earlier anyway. So I'll just pop this up here and let's keep looking, guys. Oh, it's the 1970 Pontiac Firebird in that Team Hot Wheels set and livery as well. I think the set of 5 all have a matching blue, white and red livery. And I do love this little, I think they call it a pony car, don't they, rather than a muscle car, because it's a little bit underpowered to be a muscle car. I don't know, but I've always liked the Pontiac Firebird casting, so I might actually pop this in the basket as well. The basket's all the way over here. Let's bring it a bit closer. Let's keep looking. We get the Little Raw, which is an off-roading Mini from that Hot Wheels Dirt set of 2026. It looks wicked in this white, orange and black, and you've got the checkered roof there as well. Very cool casting. I do have this one already though. Let's keep looking. We get the Nissan Maxima drift car, which can be found as a super treasure hunt. This one isn't. It's just a standard mainline. No Spectraflame paint, no rubber wheels, no golden stamp on the back of the card, and no TH logo on it either, but it is a wicked casting with a great livery. It's a K and N livery, and you probably know K and N because they provide high performance filters for race cars. Looks great in this black, and it's even got a viewing window for the engine block there. It's from that Hot Wheels Wagons set of 2026, but I think this is probably the best one out of the full set. Big slammed Nissan Maxima, ready for drifting. I do like this a lot, but I have picked up this casting a few times in the past, so I'll leave this one here for now because I'll probably see it again on the pegs if I want it again. And let's keep looking. Oh, and another that could have been a super treasure hunt, but it isn't. It's the 94 Toyota Supra from that tuned set of 2026. And this is a tuned casting. It's been all washed up and turned into a little version of the Supra itself. I have become a big fan of tuned castings, but I do have this already, so I'll leave it here. And let's keep looking. Right, well, we're coming to the end of the last peg here. We get a Project Twin Mill from the Cool Classics set. We get a Roger Dodger from the Celebration Racers set. I do like the Roger Dodger, and it was awesome seeing it at the Hot Wheels stunt show when I went in Newcastle, just racing around the track, doing stunts, really wicked. And I've got a few of these castings, so I'll leave that. And last but not least is the Mazda RX-3. I do like this car a lot, but I've got it a few times, so I'll leave that here. We've got a few Matchbox, we've got some Silverline. We do also have a couple more mainline here, but it's all the same as what we've seen. Some premiums, including the Modern Classics Nissan Nismo 270R, which you could mistake for a Chase as it's in black. This year, the Chases are gold. Or most of them anyway. Cool car, but I'm gonna leave this here. It's £8.99 for premiums, which is the standard price for premium castings. Well, we found some absolutely amazing castings on this hunt today. Probably one of the best hunts that I've had in a long time, guys. Very glad I came down to this B&M. Is there anything I've left on the pegs that you guys would have grabbed? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys.